Hello.
Bet you thought you was never going to see us again. Well, unlucky, we're back. Or are we back? I don't know. We said we're back before, we've not come back, but we're here. We thought we'd just make a video because if you've been a part of this channel, move up. Let me turn this off for my pizza burn. If you've been a part of the channel for, well, as long as we have, you'll know that we used to put like between 1 and 3, sometimes 4 videos out every week, didn't we? Yeah. And yeah, we've not put one out for 6 months. Mental. I don't know how it's been 6 months. It's just suddenly 6 months. A couple of times I've gone back and looked. You can see how long the last video was, and it's like 30 days, 90 days, and now it's just like, I think it's 190 days since the last video out. So, what you got to say about that?
It's a very long time.
Right, well, I'm going to say sorry, but yeah. So, I thought what we'd do is, because we've not posted for ages, first of all, have a look at this view. Look at that! Let me open these blind up a bit. How stunning is that? And yeah, that's actually the first time it's not rained this year in the Lake District. So, as well as updating you on, well, I guess why we've not been posting on YouTube, I thought we'd also share some exciting things because in a couple of weeks we've got half term coming up. So, what we're going to do on half term?
Go away. Scotland.
Maybe go to Scotland. Do you know, we've not even been to Scotland this year. It's mad, isn't it?
I know.
It's crazy. By the way, do you think she's grown?
No.
She has. Grown like that way and that way. Mouth's getting bigger. So, God. This is why I've not posted on YouTube. Jesus. So I thought what we'd do is we'd update you on like what we've been up to basically. And also what are you laughing at?
You.
Jesus. This is going to be difficult. So, what we're going to be, what we've been doing, what we're going to be doing, some exciting stuff coming up, and what else was I going to talk about? I can't remember. We'll just make it up as we go along. Right. So, first things first. Why have we not? Is this working or not? Why have we not been posted on YouTube? Well, we've just been bloody busy, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, she hasn't. She's just been a kid, like, but I've been busy. I started a new job, obviously, last year, so I've been digging my head into that. I've had all sorts of stuff going on outside of YouTube. Yeah, I think the main thing was probably, yeah, I think so. Probably running. Like, if you have been on this channel for, like, let's say the last 2 or 3 years, you'll know that forever I've been trying to get back into running. So when I stopped running in 2019, I bought a van to convert it to distract myself because I kept getting injured all the time and I just basically got fed up with it and sacked it off, didn't I? Yeah. Bought the van, did some travelling and tried to get back into running, but I just couldn't do it. I never thought I was going to get fit again. I wasn't enjoying it, didn't have any goals, so I just never really got running again. But this year, in January, I decided I was going to join a fell running club. And what did you do?
Joined as well.
Joined as well. So yeah, we both joined the fell running club and I've managed to burn my pizza, which is wonderful. Yes, we both joined the fell running club and we've just been busy with that, haven't we? I mean, you've got training every week. The first 3 months of the year, we were racing pretty much, both of us racing pretty much every weekend, like apart from the odd weekend. Yeah, I've been super busy with training really, and just, I've got into like mountain running now, so I've been doing lots of long runs across the mountains, up Scarfell Pike and Hell Valley and all sorts of stuff, just going out locally. Like instead of getting in a van travelling around, we've just been going out locally and enjoying what's around us. So super busy with that. How's fell running for you? Tell me about it.
It's really fun.
Yeah? What do you like about it?
I like it gives me like more of a challenge.
Hang on a second.
Yeah.
Right, I've just realised a lot of people are going to be thinking, what's fell running? Like, because it's quite a local thing for the Lake District. That's where the word sort of, not fell comes from, but fell running is basically comes from here. So can I explain what fell running is?
Basically, it's like a mountain and you basically run on the mountain and get some training done and then you're like really strong and then you run.
Do races?
Yeah.
Yeah? And how's racing going?
Really good actually.
Yeah?
I came second girl on a race.
Yeah, you've done quite well.
Yeah. I came like 16th girl when I first started.
So basically, yeah, fell running is, it comes from back in the day when farmers used to herd up all the sheep, and what they used to do is the farm people who own the farm owners, landowners, used to recruit local shepherds, and basically they used to get people to run up to a point on the fell, turn back around, run back down as fast as they possibly can, and whoever was the quickest got the job. So you can imagine like the terrain in the Lake District is pretty rough. So yeah, it's quite a tough and brutal thing. But yeah, you're pretty tough and brutal, aren't you?
Yeah.
Look at the state of her. Look, why are you covered in mud?
Because I just run. too fast at
Jesus
school.
Christ. Right, anyway, so yeah, we've been doing fell running and it's been going really well. So yeah, so we've had that going on. And also the other thing we've been up to is, as you can probably tell, again, the van has changed. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it and sort of start taking you on a van tour because I'm going to do that on a separate video. But yeah, the whole van's changed. There's lots of modifications. We've got the shower. I don't know if you saw the shower last time, but we've got a shower now properly. Bed, fridge, freezer. I've just put this up. This is a temporary thing, but I just said I wasn't doing a van tour, didn't I?
You are literally doing a van tour.
Yeah, so that's just a temporary thing at the moment. I'm not sure what I'm doing with that. But basically, we're getting rid of the van. We are selling this van and we are giving up van life forever. What?
No!
What?
No! We're not giving up forever.
Well, why are we selling the van then?
To get another one.
Ah, all right. Fair enough.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Make it even better.
Well, yeah, there's just a lot of things on here that, like, either I don't like. Well, I do like it. I like the whole thing. I love this van, but I just want to do it differently. Like, and I miss building it. Like, people keep saying to me, why do you keep taking your van apart? Well, I like doing it. I like changing things and building. So rather than keep changing this van over and over again, I'm just going to buy another one as a shell and just start again. And to be honest, not really going to be doing much over the winter, and it's something to keep me busy, isn't it? I mean, it keeps me off the streets, let's be honest. So yeah, we're thinking of getting another van. At the moment, I'm not sure what van to get. I was considering getting an actual van, as in like a Luton van, a big square box, because they're obviously bigger to build, but at the same time I don't want to be driving around in a big box everywhere, so I'm not sure if that's a wise idea. I did consider getting a smaller van, like a transporter, but then I can't have a shower in it because I thought a shower, and then I thought I'll get a brand new MAN or like a new Crafter or Sprinter. I don't know. So let me know what you think. If you've got some ideas of what would be suitable. You obviously know me and Amika now, so yeah, if you can, like, if you've seen something or you think something might be more beneficial for me and Amika, then let us know, I guess. Yeah. So the other thing we wanted to tell you about is our travel plans. So we've got half term coming up in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah. 2
weeks. So we're thinking of going somewhere. She's already said Scotland. Like, I didn't even get that, and she's just like, we're already basically in Scotland now. So that sounds like we're going to Scotland.
Yeah.
Why do you want to go to Scotland?
Well, I like it because I like Scotland because it's like
full of Scottish people.
No, because I just
full
like
of haggis.
I just like the place, and because it's like a nice place.
Do you want to toss the caber?
What's that mean? What does that mean?
It's a Highland sport game thing. Anyway, carry on, sorry.
Yeah.
You like Scotland?
Well, they have really nice views, so...
Got nice views here. I mean, look. Is this not a nice view?
No.
Fair enough.
Okay, so if we go to...
Is it a long story?
Yes.
Oh, God. Right, hang on a second. Carry on.
No. Yeah, so the views are really nice from, like, the hill that we normally go on in Glenmore.
Yeah.
Because, like, the second car park. And I'm also...
It is good up there.
Yeah. I'm thinking if we can go there for winter again, because I like the views because it's, like, all white and it's all pretty there.
It's all white up there.
What?
It's all white up there.
I don't get it.
All right, all white.
Oh my goodness. What a dad joke.
Jesus Christ. You do realise that she's just going to take over this channel. It's going to be like Travel with Amika and that old man. Right, so yeah, we're thinking of going away. And I mean, she's already said Scotland, so... But we do like it, don't we? Yeah, why not? Exactly. We do like Scotland. It's good. There's lots of good things up there. So we're not sure. Maybe we'll go to Glenmore. Maybe we'll go to one of the beaches. Maybe we'll go to one of the islands. Depends on this bloody hurricane that's happening in America, whether it comes over here and starts battering us.
Dun,
the after
dun,
effects.
dun.
Yeah, because I can't be bothered to go away for a week. Last time we went away, you don't know anything about it because we went to Scotland and it just blew a massive gale and just threw it down and we had a little bit of snow and that was it. We just stayed in the van the entire time, apart from when I went out to see some reindeer, and that was it.
I know, but then when we went back home, it just all started snowing really badly.
Yeah, we arrived in Kendal and then they just had a blizzard up there. It was a nightmare. So, but anyway, so yeah. So if you know anywhere that we haven't been to that you could recommend, please let us know in the comments, because we do want to check out new areas as well, not just go to the same places over and over again. Equally, if there's a place that we have been that you'd like to see again, then let us know and we'll go and check it out.
Yeah.
It'd be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So it looks like Scotland for half term. Christmas again, probably Scotland, probably.
Yeah. I like the sledging places there, they're just really good.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah. All the people there are quite kind too.
Yeah, and we'll probably be other people up there with vans as well, so that'll be good. And if there's people up there we know, it means I can go run in. I can leave you with them. So that'd be good. Other things I was thinking as well is we don't go out travelling all the time in the van anymore, and that's kind of what this channel was about. So we tend to do just like local stuff. So we would take the van with us because, like I say, it's the only vehicle we've got. But we might park up in the Lake District and go for a walk. Wanted to know what you think about that. Should we film that as well? So us just messing around in the Lake District, checking out new walks, going to check out waterfalls, seeing wildlife and all that sort of stuff. So just basically me and Amika interacting and just going out and having fun around the local area, because we've done that all year but we've not filmed any of it. So
how about wild swimming in waterfalls?
Calm down, mate. You're not going to get in the water.
Unlike you,
little toes like that in the water. I'm done.
That's you.
I went swimming in a waterfall.
Yeah, but then you came out after like 2 minutes.
It's because it's bloody freezing, that's why.
Oh yeah, you'll get used to it.
Jesus Christ. Anyway, let us know what you think about that. Should we film our adventures in the Lake District? If you want to see it, we'll film it. If you don't want to see it, then there's just no point, is there? So, yeah. And equally, I go out all the time running, right? So I'm always running up, like, I'm just looking behind us at all the mountains there. I have to go and run up all the mountains in the Lake District, exploring the new trails. Sorry, exploring new trails, not the new trails. They've been there for decades.
What the?
Shut up. So yeah, maybe filming some of that. I think what you'll get to see is you'll get to see a lot more of the Lake District, is what I'm trying to say. So we go to see all sorts of stuff. Then we look at like the local buildings and churches. We go and look in some of the gardens, not people's back gardens. That'd be weird. We'll probably get in trouble for that.
Just casually filming a video in our friend Bob's.
Excuse me, what are you doing? Just filming your gnomes in the garden. Gnomes. So yeah, maybe we'll do some of that. I'm doing a lot of races as well, so I can't really film Amika on races because there's other kids around and people get like, you know, annoyed about stuff like that, and rightly so, because not everybody wants to be on the internet, do they? Like those weirdos. But I can share some of the footage of some of the races that I've done as well, so that'd be something else we could add. And I don't know, just maybe just upload whatever, and if people don't watch it, then they don't watch it, do they? It doesn't really make any difference. What a view. What a view. I think that's it from us. We just wanted to give a quick update. I mean, it's not a very exciting video, but hopefully for the people that have been asking where we've been and what we've been up to, that kind of explains it. And yeah, I think we're going to be posting a few more videos very soon. Thank you very, very much to everybody who's watching this video and stuck around, because I know it's frustrating. I know what it's like. We watch a couple of travel bloggers and sometimes they just disappear off the face of the earth and you think, are they still alive? Something happened. Are they pregnant? They're guys, by the way, so I don't think they're going to be pregnant, but you never know. So yeah, I know what it's like. If people go missing, you wonder where they are. Our videos come out randomly, but some people wait until, you know, 6 o'clock on a Sunday. It'll be part of their evening routine. They'll put the video on, they'll watch it. And yeah, obviously when people aren't uploading, you wonder where they are. So yeah, so like I said, we're going to try and get more content out as well. I think the next video, well, we'll try and get away this weekend if the weather's not too bad, which is, I think it's forecast to be bad. So, but anyway, we'll try and get away and do something, even if we're just like playing chess or something.
Do we even have a chessboard?
No, we don't. I don't know why I said that. But we'll try and get some content recorded. We'll get out, do something, even if it's in the rain, doesn't matter. Phone's waterproof. And yeah, we'll try and get some videos uploaded. We'll try and get one out at least once a week. But if we don't upload, you got to bear with us, guys, because life is busy. Like, sometimes we just can't be consistent with everything we're doing, and you know, time flies, doesn't it? So bear with us. Yeah, we'll try and get videos out more often. And as usual, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Make sure to subscribe.
And leave a comment. Please leave a comment so YouTube pushes this. Our channel is going to be right now. So just please make the effort and put a thumbs up. Otherwise, we're not posting any more bloody videos. Right. See you later.
Bye.